What's up, guys? I bought a van. Alright guys, so this format is a little bit different than what I normally do. As you can see, I just purchased a new van. My plan is to make a video series of how I'm gonna upfit the van. If you want to take a look inside, here it is. It's a Ram ProMaster City. I got it used. It's a 2022. This is what it looks like in the back. If you guys aren't familiar with my channel, I'm a master electrician. Currently I work for a company, but eventually I want to go out on my own, do my own thing. For right now I have this van for side work or any other work that comes up. I did recently get my Texas electrical contracting license, so I have all that set up and ready to go. So the crazy part is when I bought this, I noticed one thing. Bro, where are these headrests? I have no idea where those are, but let me just open up the other doors and kind of take a look around of the ProMaster. So as you can see, it's a smaller compact van. I wanted to start off a little bit small. You know, I could have gotten a bigger one for the same price, but I just want to start off small and get something that's good. This one's only about 3 years old. The 2022, it's 2025 currently. Before we continue to look at it, let me show you what YouTube sent me. So they sent me a package and I haven't opened it yet. Cool, look at this. YouTube. Let's see what it is. Partner perks. Sweet. Thank you, YouTube. I really appreciate it. Or is it like a clapperboard, I think is what they're called? Lights, camera, action. Alright, cool. Let's take a look around. Put this off to the side. So I do eventually plan on wrapping it. That's part of the goal, but for now I'll probably end up just getting like a magnet with my business logo and all that. It's a bit loud right now because they are doing construction near me. But this is the van. ProMaster City. If we open up this side, that's what it looks like. So I have some plans and I have some things in the process right now, but what I'm thinking about, which I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'm thinking about putting some pack outs here, maybe a shelf or two, I'm not sure. I'm gonna need a ladder rack, and I can't think of it off the top of my head. Forgot what this is called. That divider that separates the cab from the back. I don't know what I would need that for. The AC, I guess whenever, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's just a start. I know it's a little bit of a smaller van, but that's why I think this video series will be unique. I'm going to show you the process of me installing the shelving, installing the ladder rack, installing I might do flooring, might do the walls on the side, I'm not too sure. I have seen some other electricians and other tradespeople do some van setups. I know people on YouTube are always looking for different ways to upfit the van, especially this one since it is smaller. And if you have any suggestions, let me know down below. But I do have some sponsorships coming up for the van that are going to help me upfit it. So I'm very thankful and blessed that some companies are going to help out with that. If you want to follow me through this series, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Sparky, Izzy.